Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. I'm getting lots of questions. How do I harvest the cassava? How to do it without damaging the plant? So I'm just about to harvest some of it for our dinner tonight, and we'll show you how easy it is. You obviously don't have to remove the entire plant. So you basically look around the root, or like here for example, it's growing just under the mulch here. I hope you can see it. So here we go. I just removed the top mulch and it's growing here. Nice, beautiful pieces. I only need one. We leave the other one. When you go around, you can have a look. If you don't have it like me, just under the surface, you have to feel it. Oh, like here for example, another piece. This one is younger, is smaller, so we just leave it. So you can just grow, and I go for the first one here for tonight. This will be enough for two of us, and I show you how easy it is. Okay, this one is pretty big one. I will try to get it all out. So I basically go underneath and try to make it free as good as I can. Ah, come on. Have to be careful not to find a snake or big spider. Okay, it goes up to there. I'm trying to go underneath there, so it will be easier to get the cassava out. So you can see it's a small piece down there, so that will be about it. Okay, so now basically just getting it, just pulling it out and twisting around, and that's it. The cassava is outside. I put the soil or the mulch or whatever it is back in, so the rest can nicely grow and be protected from the sun. That's about it. Here is the remaining piece. We leave it. For these guys who are living in the soil. And as you can see, this is a really nice piece. It's about 30 to 40 centimeters, I would say. So it's even more than we need for dinner. So the rest I will just freeze it raw, and then I can use it later on. It freezes very well, so yeah, we'll just clean it, cut, freeze, and cook it, or make chips or whatever I want next time. So yeah, that's about it. How you harvest cassava. The plant will still happily grow and provide us with more beautiful roots. So that's about it. If you like the video, just give me a thumb up, subscribe to our channel if you still didn't, hit the bell so you get notified for the next videos I will upload, and see you next time. Thanks, bye.